Shift+A, and add a cylinder with 8 vertices. Tab into Edit Mode. Press S, then Shift+Z to scale down 0.8 units, R plus X, and type 90 to rotate. Control or Command+R, and add 3 loop cuts. Numpad 7 for top view and Alt or Option+Z for X-ray view. Box select top 2 rows of vertices. Press X and delete vertices. Add a mirror modifier and set axis to Y and enable clipping. Select the bottom edge loop with Alt or Option plus left click. S+Z and scale down 0.02 units. Press E and extrude -0.3 units. Control or Command+R and add 4 loop cuts in the extrusion. Select these edges with Alt or Option plus Shift plus left click. S+Z and type 0 to flatten. Add a supporting loop cut for the last edge loop. Press Alt or Option plus Shift plus left click and select the middle edge loops. S+Z and scale down to 0.8 units. Tab into Object Mode and add a Level 3 subdivision modifier. Right-click and Shade Smooth. Apply both the mirror and subdivision modifiers. Switch to Sculpt Mode and select Cloth Filter. Switch filter type to pinch and adjust the strength to your liking. Click and drag the mouse to create wrinkles. I'll set the strength to -640. Click and drag the mouse to create wrinkles. This is enough. Tab back to Object Mode. Shift+A and add an image mesh plane and select an image. G+Z and move the image plane up 1 units. Switch to Material Preview. Tab into Edit Mode and subdivide 4 times. Tab back to Object Mode. Add a Shrink Wrap modifier. Set the target object to cylinder. Change wrap method to target normal project. Now, set the offset to 0.002 units. Rename the cylinder to bag. Select the chip's image and add a mirror modifier. Set axis to Z and mirror object to bag. To prevent the gap at the bottom, move up the mirror modifier above Shrink Wrap. The image is mirrored. To fix it, in Mirror Modifier under Data, enable Mirror U. Now the text reads fine. The modeling is complete. Add material to the bag as per your liking. Thanks for watching.